Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, January 25th, and this is my recap of the top of your videos from last week. And the US dollar came in number one, so we're going to do a quick recap. So on the 4-hour time frame, we definitely do have a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 shape right here. This right here could possibly be the end of a correction on the daily and weekly time frame. If it really is the end of a correction, there's a pretty good chance that this is here to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, even though we have a nice 5-wave shape here. So definitely looking for longs on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where we can see this nice impulsive move down. I bet this is a wave A. This looks very, very corrective to me, probably a wave B. I think there's a pretty good chance that it could push down a little further, maybe to the 50% to make a wave C. Now, if I see 3 waves down, I see a nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside, especially if it happens at a Fibonacci level, then that's going to be my next entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. I definitely would be careful trying to go short because even though it looks like it should make a proper ABC correction, I wouldn't be surprised if it just kept on making higher highs, higher lows right now. So either way, I am definitely looking for longs. I'm definitely going to get long any chance that I get, especially if we get a Fibonacci bounce with a nice big engulfing move to the upside. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.